Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and since today is St. Patrick's Day, I'm making Irish soda bread. For this recipe, we need whole milk, AP flour, coarse sea salt, baking soda, and Florida Key West key lime juice. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, since we don't have buttermilk, I'm going to make my own liquid. Grab a bowl, add 1 3/4 cups of milk and 1 3/4 tablespoons of key lime juice and mix them together. Then, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it thickens slightly. Now it's time to focus on the dry ingredients. Get a large bowl and whisk together 4 cups of AP flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's right, I got baking soda.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
Once all the ingredients are whisked together, make a well in the center and pour in the milk mixture. Use a spoon to mix until a shaggy dough forms. Now turn the dough out onto a floured surface and gently knead it until it comes together. Once the dough has been kneaded, form it into a round shape and place it on the baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And to score the top, use a sharp knife to cut a deep cross into the top of the loaf so it can bake evenly. Also, make sure to add a touch of flour on top. And finally, we can bake this bad boy into the oven for 40 minutes so it can be golden brown. Once this bad boy is out of the oven, let it cool on a wire rack for 15 minutes so it can be easier to slice. Also, if you're wondering how to say Irish soda bread in Spanish, it's pan de soda irlandés. Alright, I got my Irish soda bread. It's time to try it and I won't cap. This bread slaps. It's cakey in the inside and crunchy on the outside. It's pretty much just a plain good loaf. Alright now, where's the butter? With the butter, it tastes 10 times better. In this bread, I put key lime juice in it. I don't taste that at all, but I guess that just makes it the secret ingredient. Originally, this recipe calls for buttermilk, but I didn't even need it. It tastes good just the way it is. I can't believe I've never thought about making a St. Patrick's Day video after 6 years of having this channel active, but it's a first time for anything. En el día de San Patricio, siempre uso verde. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and a happy St. Patrick's Day.